everyone. I hope you are fine today. Today exercise. I hope you are fine today. I'm very happy to share with you a new category. This new category is a long time I would like to share with you some exercise. I think that is a poor part of the harp teaching, because most of people doesn't like to exercise, to make exercise, to play exercise, and I know, me too, I don't like very well. And today I would like to share with you and to practice with you. So on this first video, normally, is correct? Normally, most of the exercise book is on the universal tuning, that means on C major, A minor. For this case, I would like to share an exercise on G major, but you can change. The goal is to play on G and G here for the right hand, and E for the left hand. On the first part, because I cut the video with for YouTube and for the bonus for the people who want to support my work. On this first part, we will see a work on one finger. Okay, so for the tuning, you must up as like C major. That means one before blue. This is E, and A and B before red, and the F and F sharp. Okay. The goal here is not only to play harp, is to play with full movement, finish on your palm to have a good sound. I said that because what is the difference playing between a person that learn in a harp school and person that learn by ear on with traditional way is the sound. Because we don't, how to explain that? When I learn, most of the time we learn beautiful song, beautiful tune, but not to play very deeply how to have the best sounding. And in a harp school, the people work on it. That means that sometimes it can be hard to explain, and it's not for all the people. And today I would like to work on the quality of the sound. So we work on the first step. We work on only the two fingers, the finger 2. You have two ways to practice. You can practice like this, or you can use the thumb to have a support. Is as you want. If I play like this, I put my 2, I pull and leave, and up, and finish my 2 inside my palm. Not before, but in the full way. Put, pull, play. Put, pull, play. You can put your arm on the sound box if you want. Play and play. Okay? This is the first thing. So take your time. You play on G and G. Okay? This is the first thing. You can also, if you prefer, if you have not, because some people, we are all different, and some people are little weak with the finger. You can use a thumb just to support the exercise and play and jump. You don't play the thumb. Jump. The goal is to put, pull, and finish inside the palm. This is the goal. Put, pull, play. Put, pull, play, etc. Because if you maîtriser, if you understand the playing, you can control also the sound and the volume of the sound. This is for the right hand. For the left hand is the same, but we down to E and E. And the most common mistake I see on YouTube, and that's why I say, okay, this girl or this boy learn herself or himself the harp. That means that the left hand, we do not put the left hand on the sound box. You must up a little the arms, not too much, because there is a different way to play harp, very classical way, French method, English method, Russian method, etc. And I think that today in 2020 you must discover your own body language, your own gesture, to have more space. I think this is most important. So I try to put the two like this. You don't see because I can show you like this. My hand is not broken. It is just aligné, okay? Like a yoga, I compare a lot with the yoga things. And I do the same things to E and jump. I can use the thumb to have more control if you prefer. And like this. Jump. Jump. And take your time. The goal is to have a good sound. And after you can up, because I take, because the exercise is down and up and etc. Okay, so this is for the first step. So now we can work on the two ends. That means that we are on E with the left hand and G on the right hand. And is a contrary move. Okay, so it's like this. And I up and down. Again. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Here this is a common note, FF and EG. And after you can play in reverse. Okay? This is the first steps. The first is only the right hand. The second is the left hand. And after the both hands. Okay? So for this first part, you can also change the tuning. You can also use a metronome as you want. So we are on the end of this video for the first exercise. Now I work on the bonus part for the people that support my work. So thank you so much, and try to practice this exercise, and see you soon. Bye bye.